Yeah, yesterday we are facing one issue, right? I fixed that issue. So, due to some permission issue, I will show you how we can fix that. So, this is the error we are facing, right? Could not scheme the provider. There is some providers in the Terraform, HashiCorp. Let me show you that. So, this is the like .terraform. By default, whenever we install the Terraform, by default it will create the modules and providers. Here some modules are registry HashiCorp also there. So this is the version. So actually now this version we are trying to like installing. So that version there is some permission issue. I have added the full permission plus x 777. So now I am able to like after giving the permission I have installed the terraform. Again I use the terraform init. Now it's showing some dependencies are downloaded. So after that I use the terraform plan also it's working now. There is no any complaints it's showing. So after that we need to follow, these are the two steps only, that we need to give the permission, then we can use the terraform init and again the plan. So there is no any complaints now. Now it showing we can go for the installation. Okay, I hope this will understand. We can use the terraform apply now. This is the warning only, you can ignore this warning, there is no any issue. So let me start. I hope this will work. Let's see if it is already existing that IAM roles now. So is there any complaints there again? So like actually we can delete it, we can try it, but there is so many IAM roles are there, so that's why like it will not possible to delete one shot. So that's why we are using these things. Let's see, this time will work, then we are good for this. If it is not work, I will try to any another different account. I will show you to that. Let's see, I upload this. Give a yes. I am roles only creating again. I think this time we have provided different name. Let's see if this will work, then we are good. No, it's not working. AWS subnet private public main.tf. US East 1A. Okay, that invalid availability zone. Let me check the PC. PC started, then why subnet is complaining? Oh, sorry. 2A, 2B, we need to provide. Hmm. Provider.tf. Here now we need to give something to. So like that we need to resolve all the things. Let me do again. Init plan. Okay, now it's started. Let's see how it will go. If this will not work, no, I will try for different account. Maybe I have already existing that all IAM rules, no, it will not possible. That destroy command will work for removing, but somehow Terraform destroy command it's not removing all the things. So that is the main thing. I think it started EKS cluster. Yes. Yeah, it started creating the cluster. I think this will work. Let's see. I hope this will resolve the issues. So this is a simple thing only. We can create the using Terraform script, EKS cluster. So not a not a EKS only. We can like create anything using the Terraform script, using the AWS smart like services. Allow you can create S3 bucket, and tomorrow we will try that things also. No issue how to create the S3 bucket using the Terraform script. That will be the simple thing only. So this will take around like 20 minutes. We can keep and observe. There is no any other way to execute fastly. I think we can like observe anything resource or something whatever it is creating, like add-ons. Still add-ons also not created, and you can see auto scaling group. I think still work nodes are not started, no? So auto scaling group also not will not start. We will wait for that. This will complete 30 minutes only, before 30 minutes only. But somehow there is some issues are coming. So if any issues like any errors we are receiving, we need to troubleshoot, and it will take some time. So that's why like in the first time na, you will not get any errors, that is damn sure. You can properly use that subnets, like your cluster names and VPC header range. It will work definitely, so it will complete only before 30 minutes only. But somehow some issues are coming na, so that's why we are facing, like it will take some time. So this videos I will release part 1 and part 2. Like part 1 this explanation are there, and part 2 it will done everything in automatically without any theory part, so that we can use. Whenever it will start work nodes, no, then and that time it will create like auto scaling groups. It is easy to that we can observe in that time. I think cus- cluster creation completed. Let me verify that. Yes, it's done. It's active. Now we can check the work nodes are started or not. Still work node groups are not started. Now it's starting. Hmm. Yeah, node groups also started. Node groups, it will take only hardly 5 to 10 minutes only. It will complete. There is no an issue. We use only one work node for like trial for sample. Like in if you are using production or any other things now, you can change it your node group type, and you can increase your whatever your requirement. That is like main thing. You need to keep a mind of that, like whenever we this is my like sample class, right? That's why I use only simple one work node. If you are using any your company work nodes, like company like requirements, you can use the like better type, like requirement, whatever how many microservice you are going to install, what are the things, that things everyone need to understand. Like you need to calculate your microservices, like how many APIs they are going to deploy. That calculation is required. Like each worker node, if you are using T2 large or something, like 8 CPUs and 16 DP. Like each worker node, it will hardly assign the 10 services. There is no any issue, 10 microservices. Like that, you can calculate it. I think now add-ons are creating. Still, it is not there. See, this is the endpoint, and it's showing 11 minutes ago it is created. ARN also there. If you want anyone asking ARN, you can give it to here. Everything it should create. Yeah, now apply the completed. Everything is done. Let me check. EC2 work node is created or not. Yes, work nodes are created. Fun running. We'll check the kubectl. Get nodes. I think kubectl is not there. We need to install the kubectl. Let me take the comments. Where is kubectl installation? This is kubectl here. Go to root. That will be better. So I am able to install the kubectl. Now check the version. So I am using 1.27. Okay, now kubectl is done. Now again check the get nodes. Still it is showing something connection refused, right? Now you can use this kubeconfig. We need to expose in this location. Space your cluster name. Copy this cluster name and paste it here. Enter. Now cluster found the name EKS Cloud the cluster. Why? EKS Cloud cluster. Oh, sorry. We need to change the region also, right? US is 2 we are using. Okay, now it's done. Let me check kubectl get nodes API version client. This issue I already faced. This issue invalid plugin API cluster version. There is something issue with the AWS CLI. We can remove and install it again. Previously it is an old version, so that's why I'm installing new version. No such file and directory, so we need to copy it properly. That we need to export the path. Thing file is exist. Save this path. So I'm able to see the AWS version. Now do the again config file. Invalid still. Okay, done. Now I am able to see the kubectl get nodes. So let me install any sample nginx. Apply sample nginx application in Kubernetes. tl apply nginx.yml. Okay, it's created. kubectl get ports okay, see my nginx pod is running up and running. So this is how we need to done. So after installation we can use destroy. The destroy command, it will delete everything, but somehow latest update it is not deleting everything. We need to do manually for deleting, but you can execute this, but it will not delete all the resources. You need to do manually. Okay, this is the like I think you guys are understanding how we can install the EKS using Terraform. Look, last class I already showed you, right, what we are facing the issue. That issue is resolved using that permission. See, last class we faced this issue. This provider schemas could not some provider something permission level issue. So what I did, I already explained you. Again I'm showing to this. Till here I started that like resolution troubleshooting. So I did that. I have something like open this terraform file by default whenever I did. So after that I like used that, like whenever once we install the terraform now, these two modules are installed, modules and providers. So I used that provider registry. So inside the provider register there is a permission. So I given that 777 permission. After that I install Terraform init, Terraform plan. Now it's working everything. Remaining is same whatever we did. Okay. Now I am using destroy command. No changes object to destroy completed. So it will not delete. So you need to do it manually. Okay. Thanks all. Bye. This is the today class. I will upload these videos and I will provide all the URLs and GitHub link also. You guys can try your own. Thanks for all. Bye.